So we're on board the Norwegian Jewel, and I thought we'd give you a quick overview of the ship. It's pretty big, so it's not going to be really in depth, but maybe you can get like a sense of the size and all this here. I don't know where to start with. This is staterooms. You got a bunch of staterooms here.
That's us.
Yeah, we're in stateroom or floor 8. You've also got 4 and 5. Okay, so there are a bunch of bars on board. The Bliss Lounge, a champagne and wine bar, an Irish bar and restaurant, a whiskey bar, a Spinnaker Lounge, a sugarcane mojito bar,
Pit stop.
There are a bunch of restaurants on board, including Le Bistro, the Azura Dining Room,
The Topsiders Grill.
a Brazilian restaurant.
We don't know what it's called. It's called Moderna. We couldn't go there because it's literally just me. As is
The Steakhouse, La Cucina, the Garden Cafe, the Palace.
this is where we hang out the most.
So the Palace is literally where we spend the majority of our time on the ship.
When eating.
When eating, yes.
Not most time.
It's really nice inside. It's like, I don't know, it's just so nice, and they have a big Christmas tree in there now. Yeah, and you can sit by the window and watch the sea, and it's great. There's even something really cool on board as well. If you want to feel like you're back in Vegas, there's a full-on, full-size onboard casino, which is a lot of fun. And we have played here, slots, and lost all our money. But yeah.
Just like Vegas.
So this is like the main lobby area. They have like a cafe here that serves Starbucks. You can get like a package where it's like $99 when you get unlimited Starbucks. Anyway, it's decorated for Christmas, so it's really cool. We like to come here and read a book. It's usually kind of quiet whenever people are out on tours, like right now. So they have a bunch of picture opportunities on this boat, and you can also get your photos here. The whole gallery dedicated, and they do set pictures in the evening sometimes around here with backdrops. This is a tax and duty-free store. Apparently there's a lot of benefits to buying jewelry and stuff on board because you're not paying tax or duty. We wouldn't know, we haven't bought any. So you also have an art gallery and internet cafe. Internet cafe seems like an outdated concept, but on a boat, whenever signal's not that great, they do have one. And they're always hosting like auctions, art auctions. We haven't been to one because we're not art enthusiasts, but if you're into it, it'd probably be a really good place. You have Splash Academy, which is like a kids club, and then Onboard, video arcade, where you can play like air hockey, shooting games, other stuff. But yeah, go. In 3, a studio, a card room, and then a really cool library where I got this. Got the spa here. They've got like saunas and stuff inside there. We haven't been in. I'll probably reveal why in a little bit. Gym, which is really cool because you're working out with a view. I mean, we're corded up right now, but you know, usually you can see the waves going and whatnot. Yeah, it's cool.
Hey guys. Sun deck?
Yeah, for those hardcore sunbathers, which would probably be my mother if she was on here.
But it gets hella windy.
It's hella windy.
When you try and sunbathe out here. It's like,
We tried to sunbathe over there
yeah.
and everything.
Cool, but like everything just blows away, so it's quite hard. I guess that happens when you're in a boat moving along in the middle of the ocean.
Got an outdoor swimming pool and a couple of hot tubs. Great way to cool down.
Now, there's an exclusive club or room on board called the Haven. I think there's like only 3 or 4 cabins, but so they're really big. They got their own private pool area, and I guess they get like a butler. But that's the best thing.
Yeah, look at that.
They have their own private hot tubs.
And
So
look
these
out
ones
the
get pretty
ocean.
packed, and the views aren't as good. But you can be sailing along at night time with your hot tub literally looking out. That is next cruise goals. Getting in one of them. They also have some outdoor sporting stuff. They got shuffleboard, which I guess is that sport, I don't know. They have golf nets, and they also have a court which has like football, basketball.
Yeah. It's too warm most of the time to do that stuff, by the way.
Yeah.
So,
Right now it's also pretty warm, so we're gonna go indoors
and eat some food.
and enjoy the aircon, which is exceptional.
So we're testing out one of the premium dining options this evening.
The French option.
Le Bistro. We have been placed again. It's dark so you can't see, but that's us. Hi. And there's water.
Can you see? I can see the Aruba
Oh yeah.
as we sail away. Just waiting for our champagne to arrive.
Prosecco.
Had a Belgian Diondis, yeah, for real?
If you know what that is in the comments right away, please let us know.
She brought it out, it was like this thin, like you can kind of see Kazi, it kind of stood like this. Sorry Kate, you're touching your food. And then it had an onion around it. And then there's just like this really
potent cheese.
blue cheese.
You know when you're trying to be polite and trying something, but it's too much.
But the problem is I don't get it, because like, I don't understand what it is, why it was, maybe this is fine dining gone too far, just bring me some lettuce, some onion and some cheese.
Or we just don't do fine dining.
Yeah, the onion was like so potent, and then the cheese was like, and the lettuce was just awkward to eat. So the whole thing was just like hard work, and I'm left confused as to why I didn't enjoy it, because it was like one of the more expensive like starters or whatever that you can pay for. So.
But she said the goat cheese croquettes are really good, so we'll try them next.
Yeah. Alright, this is our goat cheese salad. This looks more...
Croquettes.
Oh, sorry.
Oh wow,
Goat
that
cheese
is proper
croquettes.
filled with goat cheese. We'll just give it a little.
Taste test?
Really good.
Yeah?
They're really good.
I can understand this. This looks more palatable.
That's good. You'll like it.
Okay.
I think so.
Here we go.
All right, so we have finished up our meal. This is my dessert. My lovely waitress described it as a hot dog covered in chocolate that's been overcooked. And to me, that's what it looks like.
Yeah. But
Never
we
mind.
all know that's not
No.
what it looks like.
Anyway, Brad's got, what do we got? Oh, strawberry.
Fraisier. Just like some sort of strawberry cream sponge thingy.
Anyway.
And some porter.
Yes. Overall, we really enjoyed the specialty dining experience, but I'm not entirely sure it's worth the extra money. The dining in the main restaurants is really top quality, and it kind of felt a lot similar. But if you want to try a specific cuisine, like French cuisine, then it's worth testing it out. We loved our time on board the Norwegian Jewel. She may be one of the older ships and not have fancy features such as water slides or racetracks, but we thoroughly enjoyed our experience and we did not go bored once. So if you're thinking of trying out this cruise, then I highly recommend it.